Today we're going to be coloring this amazing kangaroo with a bird sitting on its tail. So please enjoy, and if you have these markers at home or if you have any art supplies, I'd recommend trying it. It's really fun and relaxing. So please enjoy. Pink is taking a little bit longer than expected, so we're going to use a little bit of editing magic so you don't have to watch me color in the whole thing. Ready, set, go. There we go. Now you guys don't have to watch me struggle through the whole thing. So just please enjoy the rest. So now all of the basic colors are on the paper and it's time to add the details. So let's go. So that's basically it. Please enjoy the end of this video.